Look at her. Look at her mama, man.
YouTube, what is up, and welcome to Sal's World again. Today we got something exciting we're gonna do. I'm gonna meet back up with my best friend. And if y'all didn't watch the last video, go watch the last video, cause she did something crazy. But I'm finna meet back up with her, and we actually finna go to the gun range. And I haven't been in a minute. I've only been once. But I really want to get a firearm, but I want to be comfortable with shooting one and really knowing the logistics and how to use it. So we're gonna go back, and I feel like my best friend pretty equipped, so we finna hit up the gun range, and I'm gonna tap back in. She probably should almost be there, so I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get into the car. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, so we just got in the car and we finna head that way. Okay, not me finna. Ooh. We about to head that way. I hope I don't run into too much traffic. But knowing where I live, since I want to change into the new Charlotte/Atlanta, you never know. I always get nervous, y'all, because if you ever done been behind a firearm, for me, it's not even the noise. Like, it's not even the noise that gets me. It's the power behind it that be like, oh shoot. Make you jump a little bit. I mean, yeah, the noise is like, it's very humbling, but the power when you behind one, I apply anybody who got sharp shooting. Baby. Anyways, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get there. Me and her should be meeting up around the same time, so until then. Alright, y'all. My best friend, I was about to say, who is my best friend? My best friend just got here. Dang. Hey, best friend. I already done seen her today, but cool up. It's kind of sunny. There she go. Yo. So we finally done got here. I ain't really gonna disclose the location because I don't got no cash. Can I just send everything to you through Apple Pay or Cash App? And I don't have my card.
You got your license?
Yeah, I got I got my license. My aunt texted me the other day and was like, "You left your debit card and slid out in the car." Yeah. Dang, it's hot today. Make you forget your words. Making my wig still.
It's okay.
Yeah. Prom. Shawty. Still can get crushed. Thank you.
Go ahead, find the extra big.
Man.
Oh, they still open the show.
I hope they are too. This man just walked out with his gun, so it looked like, my bad, y'all. Y'all can't see. She in the back. I knew she was gonna get stopped. I knew he was gonna stop. What you looking for now?
Oh, the bullet.
Oh.
They usually have them in here, but if that's, I'll go back and get them from over there.
Your hair look good up at the top. Like, y'all, my best friend got hang time. Oh, because I still be hearing it with them things on.
So these noise canceling, like, so you can hear somebody talking and you can like, block out the
Oh.
gunshots. As soon as they're on.
If y'all gonna be out there like that, for sure. And should you have some with you? Just in case. This is what she looking for, y'all. You know. She calling a sharpshooter.
Yo, did you you bought them headphones from Carmelo?
Y'all couldn't really see them, but
Are they higher?
let me make sure I got my ID.
They higher in here? I might just wait then.
Oh, I ain't peeped the cut.
I might just have to wait.
I ain't peeped the cut, y'all.
Learn more at palmettostatearmory.com. Palmetto State Armory.
That's why she got that hair up. She thought she was slick. Oh, she thought she was slick, y'all. If you're gonna do 70, you might as well do 80. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when we get in there, so y'all stay tuned. We just got here, and yeah. Right now. And yeah, I'm gonna tune back in real quick. I just wanted just this simple one right here.
Right above the heart. Same spot, goes up. You hit actually above the heart. See above the heart? That's tough. You hit right here. Well, these last two I got, you hit those right there.
That's crazy because I'm over here trying to
That's
aim
tough.
like.
You trying to hit that? That's because you're dropping.
Yeah, my hair look crazy, but we just finished up. Like that. And I don't know, y'all seen the footage? What y'all think? My best friend said she think I did good, but
Look at the paper, bro.
what it look like?
This man Dumpo, head shots, long Dumpo.
That's not bad though. It was up close, but you know,
In
real life,
in real
yeah, in real life for sure. Excuse me. I'll tap back.
He said he gonna do like the class in his law.
Oh, he gonna need to dumb it down for me.
Yeah, he make sure. He do one-on-one classes and stuff like that. He was gonna come today, but he said it's real. I tried to get him to come last week, but he had to work.
Yeah. Y'all, that's a. Let me see. Put in that light. Gonna part ways, man. Where is that? This is my personal instructor for today.
Yep.
Dang, it just keep taking you out. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back in the car. What's up, YouTube? So that was a day in the life at the gun range with me and my best friend. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so that y'all can get all the notifications for all my bangers that I drop. Y'all stay tuned, and it's time to go to sleep, so sleep tight.